In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the bond screener in Tradingview. Let's get started right from the Tradingview website. First, open your browser and go to Tradingview. You can be on almost any page, but it's easiest if you're on the main site where you normally look at charts or ideas. At the top or in the main navigation, you'll usually see an option related to screeners. This is where Tradingview groups tools for finding different types of assets, like stocks, forex, crypto, and, in our case, bonds. Go ahead and look for the section labeled Screener, or go directly to the screener page if you're familiar with it. By default, Tradingview often opens the stock screener first, so don't worry if you see stocks initially. That's normal. What we want to do is switch from the stock screener over to the bond screener. Once you're on the screener page, look near the top of the table or along the menu for different screener types. You should see options like stocks, forex, crypto, and bonds. Take a moment to scan that area carefully, because it can be easy to overlook if you're used to only using stock screeners. When you find the option labeled Bond Screener, that's exactly what you're looking for. Now, click on the Bond Screener option. As soon as you do, the view will update, and instead of showing stocks, you'll be looking at a list of bonds. The layout should feel very familiar if you've used other Tradingview screeners before. You'll see columns with information such as the bond name, yield, maturity, and other key metrics, depending on the default layout and your personal settings. From here, you can start exploring bonds, just like you would with stocks. You can sort columns by clicking on the headers, filter by different criteria using the filter options, and adjust what columns are visible so you only see the data that matters most to you. If you're planning to use the bond screener regularly, it's a good idea to save your preferred layout and filters so you can come back to them quickly next time. And that's all there is to it. By navigating to the screener page, spotting the bond screener option, and clicking it, you unlock a powerful way to analyze and compare bonds directly inside